All right, y'all. We are at Kisarazu in Japan. We're at Costco. We're at a Costco here, and I'm just chilling, man. They had the Hokkaido ice cream thing here. Oh my goodness, y'all! Hokkaido, that's the shiznit here, man. But you know, wifey's in the Costco shopping, so I ain't got nothing to do. Here, so we're gonna be hanging out here in the parking lot. How do you flip this sucker around? We're gonna do some car spotting because they got some dope cars out here. I'm telling, I don't know what this is. Let me know what brand this is. I don't know what brand this is. Let's go check it out. Let's go. I'm gonna look in the back. See what kind of car this is. Oh crap, it's a Toyota. How do I not know that? Corolla Cross. Dude, I don't know. I didn't know that was a Toyota logo in the front. Did y'all know that? That's a Toyota logo. And they got this Honda right here. We need these kinds of cars in America, man. With the sliding doors. Look how small this is, but it got a sliding door. This is a Honda something. Is it the Noah? Honda Noah or something like that? No, Spada. And check out the back. Look how it opens up like refrigerator doors, French doors, man. Whoo! I love that door, dude. It's like a fridge, opening up a fridge. And Suzuki, they're still in his house. Suzuki's still in his house. We need the Suzuki back. Look at this, man. What the heck? Fresh. It reminds me of like is it the Nissan Cube or something? Man, look at that. Look at this Toyota something. See, oh, Sienta. Look, sliding doors is everything here. Sliding doors is life. Check that out. Oh my gosh, man. Look at that one. That one's a Nissan. Oh my god, these are some dope cars, man. Can we get this in America? Can we please get some? I'd probably ditch my EVs if we got these in America. Man, look. Oh, this is like very popular. This is like the third or fourth one, the Sienta. Look at this bread, black and red. Look at that. It's a nice two-tone color. This one's a Nissan something. What kind of Nissan is this? Nissan Serena. Sliding doors again, y'all. Sliding doors. Man. Those are Costco shopping cars. That's hilarious. I know, right? How do you fit Costco stuff in these cars? Man. Oh my god. You could only fit like one item. Look at this thing right here, man. I could pick it up and put it in my pocket. This is so dope. What is this? This is awesome. Dude, I think it's a convertible too. Like you could remove the top. What? Cero. Copin Cero? What? Oh, those cars are grocery shopping. They're not playing. Oh man. Damn, they got some dope cars out here, y'all. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a regular size car right there, that Toyota. I think, is that a Hilux or a 4Runner maybe? Let's go check it out. Check it out. Toyota something. It's what is this? Toyota something. This one's nice. Look at that, ready to go. Got the big old wheels. Yeah. Oh, the Prado, Land Cruiser Prado. Okay, okay. Look at that. Ready to go off-roading. Dude, the N-Box, Honda N-Box. Man. Dude, give me a Model Y with sliding doors. Model Y with sliding doors, man. It's over. Look at that. Look like somebody punched it in the front. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Oh, man. Yeah, I was eating here at Costco. They have clam chowder. They got bulgogi. Can we get some of that at the Costco in our place? Shoot. Tesla needs to write some ideas. He needs to create something like, I'm telling you, sliding doors is life. Man, I got it in my kitchen. I had it in my minivan. I'm ready to go back to minivans, man. And they got some houses over here. Man, I'm about to retire. I want to move out here. Shoot. Ready to go. Man, look at this thing right here. Shoot. I just want to pick it up and put it in my pocket. Man. A lot of the cars here are hybrids too. They're like quiet. Man. See this Alphard right here? There's a bunch of these Alphards. They're like the Toyota Sienna version in Japan, something like that. They're nice. They got like the executive package. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. I don't even want to drive. I just want to be a passenger. Voxy, Toyota Voxy, El Grande, Nissan El Grande. Man. Oh, look at this Toyota Pro Box. Oh, look at this. The station wagon. Houses are under 100,000. Dang. Yeah, I want to retire here. But dude, I want one of these. I thought they were bringing these to the US under the Lexus brand. The Alphard, I can't remember. Is it the MX? The MX? Lexus MX? Or I can't remember, but we need this. Man. The Alphard is the dope van. I'm digging it. Oh, they got a Defender. Okay. Somebody balling over here. Defender. Yeah. Oh, shit. I gotta look at this green one right here. Look at this color right here. Man. Put 1,000 horsepower or 1,200 horsepower like the Model X Plaid, and we're talking fast. Man, if they're gonna do that like the Model X, it better not have the same quality as the Model X. Oh man, look at this bad boy right here. It's like radioactive. What is this? Sienta, dude, Sienta. Toyota Sienta. This is like the 6th one I've seen. It's like a Sienna, but shrunk down or something. I love this color. This color's dope. And it got a little red trim in there inside too. Christmas? What? Look at this front. Man. Dude, I am digging this. This thing is dope. Honda WRV. Oh, look at this. Dude, this thing is like lifted. You could go off-roading in this thing. Suzuki? What? Wild Wind? What? You could go off-roading in this thing, man. Dude, this is dope. It's a 2-door. Oh man, take this bad boy to Lilo Creek. This is dope. This is dope. Oh my gosh, I love the cars here. Love the cars here, man. Look at this color right here. It's like a light blue. Man, Suzuki is still alive and kicking out here. Suzuki is alive and kicking. Man, look at that. This thing is fresh. Dude, there's like side by side. What? Man, I love these cars. Definitely, I would go back to gas. You bring these cars to America and I'm going back to gas. At least one gas car. I'm not gonna fully get rid of my EVs, but man, these cars are legit on point. Is that a Crown, Toyota Crown over there? See, they got another Alphard right there. Man, I think that's a Crown, Toyota Crown, and a Mini Cooper, I think, next to it. Prius, I miss my Prius. Velfire, this one's a nice one too. Look at that, it's like the Alphard, but like a smaller version of the Alphard. The Tonto. They got the Long Ranger and Tonto. Dude, these cars are dope, man. Suzuki, like these, look at that. You got a little thing going on the dash. It's pretty tight. High Ace, man, bring the High Ace to America. Could fit like 20 people in these bad boys. Or 20 Filipinos. We are mad deep in there. This High Ace right here, man. We need that. Fit the whole family in there. Man, I love Japan. Love coming here. One day I'm gonna retire here, or maybe spend 3 months and then come back, do the whole thing all over again. Prius. What else is there? Oh shoot, the Delica? Mitsubishi Delica? I didn't know they come this small. What? Oh, I love this. What? Oh man. Dude, the Delica comes this small. I didn't know. Oh my god. This is dope. Oh man, I got 5 boys that will fit that whole yeah, man. It's like an 11-seater. The High Ace. Yeah. They got a gas station here too, just like the Costco in our place. Yeah, we switched from Verizon. Verizon's been doing us dirty for last almost year, so no coverage. And so before this trip, we switched to T-Mobile. Man, T-Mobile just works here. No need to hit up anybody. It works as if I'm back home. So I got internet. I could text. The only thing that costs money is if you make phone calls. It's like 25 cents. So just use the data. So if y'all are always gonna be traveling, man, you gotta roll with T-Mobile. T-Mobile got a good hookup. We get Netflix with commercials for free. But if you travel a lot, T-Mobile is a pretty good service. Not sponsored, but if T-Mobile you're listening, hook me up. So, dude, this one's dope. There's another Alphard right here. Man, it's dope. But yeah, this is Japan. It's like right outside Tokyo. And yeah, bring these cars over. Look at this STI. And this is even the JDM area. People with JDM here, oh my goodness, man. S15s, they got Skyline. Oh my goodness. Supra. The OG Supra too. I think that's like in Yokohama area. Man, I've seen NSX here. Like the 92 NSX. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Is this a Cooper? Mini Cooper? Huh. Yeah, T-Mobile covers you in Japan. Outside the US, T-Mobile just works. You don't have to like give them a call. I'm traveling out of the country. Because last time we were here, when we had Verizon, it was like $10 a day for like 1 gig or something like that. $10 a day for data, man. I had well, I still have Google Fi. Google Fi uses T-Mobile, and that thing's like unlimited. So I rolled 2 phones, and one's Google Fi, one's T-Mobile. And yeah, you just, when you get off the plane, turn off airplane mode and it just works. It's like the world is becoming a small place. Pretty dope. And there's companies like Verizon that would just try to nickel and dime you. It's like, come on, man. Don't do that. We all paying customers already. Look at this one. Atra I wagon. Sliding doors, man. I'm telling you. Sliding doors. That's pretty dope. Yeah. Yeah, I love Japan. This is like our 4th time coming to Japan in like 2 years. Oh man. Love this place. The food's good too. The people are awesome. It's clean here. It's clean. People keep it clean. Like, because they actually like where they live. Man. It's like it humbles you every time you come here. It's like it just humbles you. It's like, man, why can't we have something like this, you know? All right, well, I don't know where the wife's at. Doesn't matter what country Costco is in, she's just always shopping. So I gotta find something to do, because I just don't want to stand around. But enjoying all these beautiful cars, man. Yeah, we need this in America. More of these cars. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna check out right now and see what else is going on here.